I've traveled from Canada to come to the conference because it is so beneficial. The number one reason I attend the conference is because I like to learn what's new and what's coming and what the plan is. And I think it's just so beneficial to do that. And networking, like I love talking to other people to see what they're doing and how they're doing it.
It's really beneficial in terms of seeing what Chevin are working on for the future, having an opportunity to input into that, what's important to us as an operation, as a business. And the networking opportunity to meet with other users of the system. There are a number of other ambulance services here today.
It's been good meeting everyone from all the different sides of the business and getting to chat and seeing how dedicated and sort of future thinking everyone is.
To be honest, this year I didn't even actually have to ask because usually it's a huge process for me to be able to go on these things. And this year they actually told me, when is it? You're already approved to go, because they see every time I come back from a conference, there's a huge improvement on how we're doing things.